Hello students, welcome to the online computer classes for class 6. Here we will discuss chapter 1 and the chapter name is Basics of Computer. Basics of Computer Science. So students, how many of you know about the computer? What is a computer? I want some answers. Very good. Very good. A computer is an electronic device. कंप्यूटर क्या है? कंप्यूटर एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस है that work on, जो किस पर वर्क करती है? That works on a given set of instructions and these set of instructions are also called the program. इन्हीं set of instructions को हम program कहते हैं. So a computer is an electronic device. Computer एक electronic device होती है that works on a given set of instructions or program that literally saved on memory unit. That saved on memory unit of a computer. Okay students, so what a computer is? What a computer is? Assume that it is a computer. So this is only a physical structure of a computer. But actually what a computer is? That computer is an electronic device. ये एक electronic device है. Is an electronic device that works on set of instructions or program. जो हमारे किसी भी set of instructions पे जिन्हें हम program कहते हैं उन पर work करता है और जो भी हमने इसको work कराया है, जो हमने program कराया है, इसको ये अपनी memory unit में further use के लिए save कर लेता है. So students, we can say that a computer is an electronic device that works on a given set of instructions or program that literally saved on memory unit of computer. Okay, how many of you know about how a computer works? May I get some answers? Yes, very good. So students, how does a computer work? Computer work कैसे करता है? Firstly, computer receives the data. From where it receives the data? It receives the data from input devices. After receiving the data, it processes that data and after processing, it stores the data and then finally it gives the output of the data. So we can say that a computer, what does it do? Computer accepts the data. ये data को accept करता है. What is that data? The set of instructions or that program. It accepts the data, then it processes the data. It processes the accepted data. जो data इसने भी accept किया है, उसको ही process करेगा. After processing, it saves, and finally, it gives the output of the data. Output, or you can say the result of these given set of instructions or inputs. So mainly there are three types. Of devices. These devices are input device. I think it's not visible. Three types of devices are firstly input devices, जो हमारे डाटा को एक्सेप्ट करती हैं, सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस को एक्सेप्ट करती हैं. देन प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइस, process the accepted data from input devices, and after that finally output devices. What does the output devices do? Output device displays the process data. जो डाटा भी प्रोसेस हुआ है उसको output device डिस्प्ले करने का काम करती है. Where it displays the data? It displays the data on the monitor or on the screen. So children, what we have learned? We learned that input devices accept the data. What does input devices do? Input devices accepts the data from the user and then converts them into the output that can be easily understood by the computer. So children, in today's class we will learn about the basic operations of a computer. Number 2, application means कंप्यूटर्स को हम कहाँ अप्लाई करते हैं, कहाँ इसकी एप्लीकेशन होती है. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. हम कंप्यूटर को कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन of computer components. So firstly we will start with basic operations of a computer. So what are the basic operations of a computer? A computer basically has 4 major operations or 4 major functions, and these functions are: it accepts data or instructions by way of inputs. In basic operations of computer we will discuss about basic operations of a computer are: and 4. It accepts data and instructions. ये डाटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस को एक्सेप्ट करता है बाय वे ऑफ इनपुट्स. Number 2 is it stores the data. Number 2 is it stores डाटा बाय वे ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस आया है, ये उसको एक्सेप्ट करता है, देन इट स्टोर्स दैट एक्सेप्टेड डाटा, जो डाटा इसने एक्सेप्ट किया है उसको ये स्टोर करता है. देन ऑन थर्ड नंबर इट कैन प्रोसेस डाटा रिक्वायर्ड बाय द यूजर. फाइन, देन ये प्रोसेस करता है डाटा को, इट प्रोसेस द डाटा एज पर द यूजर रिक्वायरमेंट. जैसे भी यूजर को रिक्वायरमेंट होती है उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये डाटा को प्रोसेस करता है. एंड फाइनली आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग इट गिव्स द रिजल्ट एज एन आउटपुट. इट गिव्स द रिजल्ट एज एन आउटपुट. So these are the basic operations of a computer. Number one, it accepts data. जो भी डाटा होता है हमारा ये इसको एक्सेप्ट करता है in the form of instructions. Then it it stores these instructions. Then it processes these stored instructions, and after the processing, after that whole process, it gives us the result, and this result is called as output. Alright students, now we will learn about the application of a computer, our second step. Application of computer means हम कंप्यूटर को कहाँ पर यूज करते हैं. So students, we can use the computer at home. हम अपने कंप्यूटर्स का यूज अपने घरों पर करते हैं. इन स्कूल्स, आप स्कूल्स में भी अपने कंप्यूटर्स का यूज करते हैं. ऑफिसेस, films and industries, in banks, hospitals, space centers, for research, in military, and many more. So, firstly we will start with home. So, children, how do you